Watch this video and learn how to draw a Valentine's Cupid.
Come on kids, let's run, let's rush. Grab a pencil, chalk or brush. Now let's go and make some art. Draw and paint, come on, let's start. Let's have fun, let's have a party. Making art with our friend Artie.
Wow.
Hello, Artie. Are you excited to draw some art?
No,
You don't want to draw?
no art. No today, no.
Artie, are you joking with me?
Just kidding.
Artie.
Yeah, it was a little joke. Yeah, Artie wanna make art.
Well, thank
Today.
goodness.
Art today.
Good day, Artie!
Hey, Artie, how's it going?
Do you have your markers ready? And your paper? Yes? Great. Well, then should we begin? Okay, let's start.
Look, Betty, it's a blank piece of paper. How exciting!
Oh, the possibilities!
Let's start by drawing the left side of our cherub's face. A curve on the left coming down with a little bump. From that bump, let's go up on the right with another curve. This is the right cheek of our cherub. Let's draw two little C shapes on the left. That's going to be our cherub's ear. And then do the same on the right. Let's draw the eyes, but this time let's show the eyes closed. How about a little button nose? And draw a tiny little oval below the nose and shade it in black. That's our cherub's mouth. Let's start the hair, Artie. Cherubs have very curly, flowing hair. Start with a spiral shape.
If Artie is drawing a little too quick, you can pause the video, that'll do the trick. While it's paused, you can draw away, and when you're caught up, you can just press play. Oh, that was marvellous, darling.
Add a spiral shape to the left and two more spirals to the right side. My goodness, this cherub has beautiful curly hair. Keep adding more and more spiral shapes, Artie. The more the better. Let's draw the top of our cherub's hair. Draw a sort of cloud shape all the way around the top of his head. Keep going around.
Can you tell what it's gonna be, Betty?
Not yet.
That's the hair more or less complete. Now let's draw our cherub's left hand. Draw a nice chubby cherub arm, Artie. That's looking really good, Artie. Now, let's draw our cherub's butt. It's not funny, Artie. Everyone has a butt. Now let's draw a curve that signifies our cherub's chest.
Artie is so talented, isn't he, Mikey?
He really is.
Now let's concentrate on our cherub's left foot. Draw lots of curves up the back of his leg. And complete his leg with a nice big curve. You ready for a cartoon break? Okay, I guess we can stop for a minute. Go and have your cartoon break. Artie, let's go and find some things that are coloured gold.
Artie loves gold color. Oh, it's a gold coin. The sun is gold colored too. A gold colored doggy. Woof, woof, woof. It's a shiny gold car.
Artie, you found lots of gold-coloured things.
Artie loves gold.
That was a great cartoon break, Artie. We learned all about the colour gold. Now let's finish our drawing of the cherub. Let's complete his left leg with a final curve. There we go. Now I think he needs a right leg, but we should show it out the back as if he's flying.
Flying?
Yes, Artie, cherubs can fly.
Ooh.
Now we're going to draw the right arm. You've really got the hang of cherub's arms, Artie. Now let's draw the cherub's wings. We're going to draw 4 curve shapes. A big one at the top, a smaller one, then a smaller one, and then the smallest one at the bottom.
That looks cool.
I think it looks beautiful.
Let's add in a bow so that our cherub can shoot his heart-shaped arrow. That's a beautiful looking bow, Artie. Now what did you forget, Artie? There's something missing. Remember what he's going to shoot from that bow? That's right, a heart-shaped arrow. Now we just need to show some string coming from the ends of the bow to the cherub's hand. Well, that looks pretty finished to me, Artie. What do you think? Are you happy? Is it finished? Finished! I thought so. Okay, Artie, it's time to colour it in. I can't wait to see it.
What this drawing needs is...
Some color.
What a great job, Artie. It came out so good. What a beautiful cherub. I love how you showed the pink skin, the flowing blonde hair, and I really love the red nose and, of course, the red heart.
Artie, can't wait till tomorrow. Can't wait to see what you come up with.
Thank you for joining us, little artists. We hope to see you again soon. Have an arty day. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.